We would like to show you how easy it is to install your new textile wall decals. You will need a rag to wipe the wall, a spirit level, scissors, and masking tape. For most walls, a light dusting is enough. If your walls need more than that, use sugar soap to remove dirt. We will install the large rectangular decal first. Let's prepare our markers. Take a piece of masking tape and cut it on an angle, so you end up with two triangular shaped markers. The markers will define the right edge of the decal. We want to make sure the decal will be level on the wall, so stick the markers on the wall with the help of a spirit level. We will now prepare our decal. Turn the decal upside down and carefully peel back about 15 centimeters of the backing paper at the top. Cut it off with your scissors. Stick the paper back, leaving about a 4 to 5 centimeter strip of exposed adhesive. Make sure you stick down the wax side of the paper. We will use this strip to position the decal on the wall. Place your decal next to the upper mark and rip away a small piece of backing paper where the lower marker is. This will help you position the decal exactly vertically. When it's in the required position, stick down the decal at the exposed adhesive strip. This will hold it in position while you finish the application. Fold back the top of the decal and carefully peel away the backing paper. With your hands, smooth the decal onto the wall. Now do the same for the bottom part. Start your strokes in the middle and work outwards. Make sure you overlap your strokes. When you are finished, smooth down the edges. Now let's see how easy it is to install this small decal. Carefully peel back about 6 to 8 centimeters of the decal and cut off the backing paper. We will use the exposed edge to hold the decal in position. We can position this circular decal on the wall by eye. We do not need markers. Once you are happy with the position, smooth down the top of the decal. Carefully peel away the rest of the backing paper and smooth your decal onto the wall. When you are finished, smooth down the edges. Your decal is removable and repositionable. You can carefully peel it away from the wall and place it somewhere else. You are now finished. Job well done. Enjoy your beautiful new decals. When it's time to remove the decals, carefully start at a corner and peel the decal away from the wall slowly. The decals will not leave any residue on the wall.